Hello, Slate family members. From time to time, I was giving you the COVID updates, the precautions to be taken, and in case somebody gets infected, what to do and what not to do. Here are some latest updates. Of late, certain new symptoms got added to the list. In earlier days, generally COVID-19 used to start with, the symptoms in the case of symptomatic people. Remember, around 80% of the people are asymptomatic. They don't show any symptoms. Only thing is, they can transmit this disease to others. But in the case of symptomatic people, during earlier weeks, throat pain, sore throat, cough, cold, body temperature and body pains were the main symptoms. Generally, it used to start with sore throat, pain in the throat. Of late, certain more symptoms got added. In fact, in the case of some individuals, this sore throat, cough and cold are not seen. In the place of that, diarrhea, that is vomitings, loose motions are seen. Even headache is witnessed. And one of the of recent days in India, especially in Hyderabad, one of the common symptoms has been people who get infected are not able to taste or smell anything for a few days during that time. This happens because of the low glycine level in the body. The virus feeds on the glycine, so the glycine content in the body gets depleted. So as a result, people lose the sense of smell and sense of taste. One more thing is, in recent days, people without much symptoms, maybe just simple temperature, all of a sudden they are facing death. Of course, that is happening very rarely. No need to panic at all. But why this is happening? They suddenly develop breathing problems. And when they are rushed to hospital, by the time probably it is too late and they are succumbing. Remember, every day in Hyderabad, more than 1,000 people are getting infected, even according to government's own estimates, government's own testing results. In reality, many more times are getting infected. But the average number of people who are dying, who are facing death, is around 10 or slightly more than that, even if some cases are not being properly reported. So, death rate is very, very low. No need to panic, but precautions need to be taken. Why some people are facing sudden death? In the sense, without showing much symptoms, suddenly they develop breathlessness, and when they are rushed to the hospital, remember in Hyderabad, now it is almost impossible to get a ventilator. Even hospital bed is difficult. Hospital bed, one may, but to get a ventilator is almost out of question. So why it is happening? Why this breathlessness, and what should be done? When the oxygen levels in the blood are going down, for a few days, this may be a bit difficult to recognize, because probably it gives to a state of exaltation when an individual feels excited actually, but that is due to lack of oxygen. So in order to avoid this, one can buy pulse oximeter. In fact, each house need not buy one. Its cost is around 1,200 to 2,000. It is available online. If you are staying in a joint family, it can be shared. In fact, for one apartment, 1 or 2 such instruments are also okay, because you need it for just 1 minute, 2 minutes to check your oxygen levels. When that is fitted to the fingertip, it measures your oxygen level. When you are having cough and cold or body temperature, or even otherwise also, because it is happening in around us these days, one can measure oxygen levels. Normally it is 100, 98, 99, around that it is perfect. But if it drops below 90, then one should be rushed to the hospital, which means then the individual is facing problem. So when you are not checking, when the oxygen level is going down below 90, till 90, 85, one may not realize. When it drops further, by the time lungs are damaged, the body systems are damaged. So in order to avoid this, the best thing is to buy this oximeter and measure, check your oxygen levels. Beyond that, the other things which I have told in my previous voice message hold good. Remember, these things are very, very important. D vitamin, that is deadly. Many individuals are facing death. I mean, those who died, one of the main reason was D vitamin. Remember, it is almost impossible to get D vitamin from vitamin D tablets. No doubt there is a lot of controversy. Some doctors suggest this. Some people may find fault with me for telling this. But after doing enough study, cross-checking with enough doctors, I am telling this. You are not sure of getting D vitamin if you take D vitamin tablets. The best way is to expose one's skin to the sun for 15 minutes a day. Now in Hyderabad, the atmosphere is cloudy. So whatever time you get the sun, at least two or 3 days in a week for longer time, ensure that your skin is exposed to sun. And in the case of vegetarians, there is another important thing, B12 vitamin, because you can't get B12 vitamin from normal any vegetarian food. So the only alternative left for vegetarians is to take B vitamin tablets. Yes, B vitamin tablets give you enough B vitamin. Then C vitamin. C vitamin, no need to take any tablet, 1 lemon or half lemon a day. It can be squeezed, the lemon juice can be added to your dish, your curry. So that is sufficient. The most important weapon in our armor to fight virus is zinc. One can get zinc from kismis, from black grapes, resin. Okay. Then iron. Palak gives you enough iron. Protein. Paneer gives you enough protein. Iron, protein, glycine, these things can be had from chicken, egg, in the case of non-vegetarians. So maybe twice a week chicken or egg twice a week for next few weeks till we get over this pandemic is required for non-vegetarians. For vegetarians, I've already listed out. So absolutely no need to panic. The death rate is very, very abysmally low in the case of Indians. But yes, precautions are required. When you go out, ensure that you follow the principle of SMS, sanitize, mask, and social or physical distancing. So, and the most important thing to protect immunity is to feel happy, enjoy life. There are so many things, whatever you like. For example, it could be melodious music, watching a movie, watching a comedy show, spending time with children, playing with pets, anything that eases your attention. Don't keep on watching horror news, horror movies. There should be no stress. Stress damages the immunity system. So feel happy, no need to panic, and ensure that you and your near and dear are absolutely safe. Few more points. In case one gets cough and cold, it could be due to corona or normal cough and cold. The best method in case of any kind of cough and cold, including COVID-19, would be number 1, drinking hot water. In fact, according to one doctor from Mangalore who has cured thousands of people from various kinds of viral diseases, if one keeps sipping hot water once in an hour, so much so that the body temperature goes up and starts sweating. The person starts sweating. The temperature of the body goes up by 1% and the virus is killed in the initial stages itself. So whenever you feel sore throat, one should keep sipping hot water, enough hot water, so that one is sweating. Don't use ACs And even otherwise also, even if there is no symptom, the atmosphere around is very rainy, cloudy, so it is better to don't drink water from refrigerator. It is always good to drink hot water or okay, lukewarm water, that is required. And in case you are experiencing cough and cold, concoction of kashayam, concoction of ginger, one can add saffron, pasupu to that, and one can also add some more elaichi kind of spices to that. So the concoction of this, mainly ginger and saffron, acts, it gives you good relief. And in case of vomitings and diarrhea, I mean vomiting and loose motions, what is required is drinking enough water, coconut water, buttermilk. And when you are vomiting, body is losing energy, so you should eat something. And you generally, when you are having vomiting sensation, you don't feel like, a person doesn't feel like eating anything. So the best thing to be taken during that time would be orange kind of fruit, because it gives you C vitamin. And when you are vomiting, you feel like eating something which is slightly sour in taste. So these are some of the additional precautions. Thank you very much.